Welcome to another insightful discussion on the fundamentals of maintenance planning and scheduling. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're privileged to tap into the wisdom of Erik Hupjé, a seasoned professional in the field and founder of Road to Reliability. Prepare to learn from Erik's 2-decade experience in the upstream oil and gas sector and discover the transformative power of mastering maintenance basics. We'll uncover the difference between planning and scheduling, the importance of prioritization, and the benefits of continuous improvement in maintenance tasks. So, without further ado, let's get started. Joining us from Brisbane, Australia, Erik shares his journey and the transformative power of mastering maintenance basics. His global experience highlights a common challenge across industries. Many plants struggle with the basics of maintenance. He emphasizes that mastering fundamental maintenance practices can lead to significant performance improvements. Erik's passion for making maintenance simpler and more accessible led him to create Road to Reliability, aiming to provide a straightforward framework and online training for global maintenance professionals. A critical lesson Erik shares is the distinction between maintenance planning and scheduling. Planning involves preparing the work necessary for execution, detailing the steps, resources, and materials needed. Scheduling, on the other hand, focuses on the timing and efficiency of executing these plans. Confusing these two can lead to inefficiencies and a reactive work environment. Erik also discusses the importance of prioritization in maintenance. Without it, teams can fall into a reactive firefighting mode, which is costly and inefficient. Effective prioritization helps manage and mitigate immediate maintenance issues, allowing for better planning and resource allocation. For those new to or currently in maintenance planning roles, Erik advises focusing on continuous improvement. Feedback from executed plans should be used to refine and improve future maintenance tasks. This iterative process ensures that maintenance work becomes more efficient and effective over time. Lastly, Erik encourages maintenance professionals to focus on foundational practices before moving to advanced techniques. He recommends starting with solid planning and scheduling, a robust preventive maintenance program, and effective defect elimination. These core areas set the stage for significant improvements in maintenance reliability and performance. For anyone looking to deepen their understanding of maintenance and reliability, Erik suggests engaging with resources like SMRP and Reliability Web, and reading foundational texts by experts like Doc Palmer. Connect with Erik through LinkedIn or his website, roadtoreliability.com, to join a community of professionals dedicated to improving maintenance practices worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, there's always more to learn and apply in the pursuit of maintenance excellence. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion. We've learned the importance of mastering maintenance basics, the difference between planning and scheduling, the value of prioritization, and the benefits of continuous improvement. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.